I've been a big fan of Kanga Loaders for over 20 years, so I'm in for a very special treat today. I'm at the factory here in Queensland, and I'm seeing how these magnificent machines are manufactured and assembled and turned into something very special like this. The opportunities and functions of a mini loader are endless. Kanga started building these great machines back in 1981 and have been perfecting the art ever since to produce a range that's arguably the best in the world, all proudly built here in Australia. I've come to their factory to get a tour and see the manufacturing process firsthand. Rather than wandering around the factory on my own, I'm getting a tour with CEO Alan Wade. Alan, it's a really impressive setup you've got here. Tell us a bit about the Kanga Story. How did it all start?
Well, it started, both Digger and Kanga were born in the same year, back in 1981. In 2009, Kanga, the company, got into a little bit of distress. So Digger moved in and we purchased the company, brought it all in-house here, brought all the manufacturing in, and this is where we are today.
Amazing. How many people have you got working at the factory?
Over 2.5 shifts, we have about 245, 250 in this facility.
Right.
We're 350 around the world. Yeah.
And how many machines would you produce a week?
We tend to talk in months, because but we do about, at the moment, about 65 to 70 machines a month. Everything you see on the Kanga, the chassis, the attachments, everything comes in as raw steel. We cut it, machine it, fold it, bend it, weld it, goes through and comes out as a finished product.
And would it be fair to say, Alan, that the Kanga Loader is the best in its class?
Well, I'm biased. Yeah, definitely. It's comments that are made to us at trade shows around the world, just recently at the American Rental Association show, was that it's a good, strong steel machine.
Yep.
A lot of other machines on the market at the moment have all gone to composites, plastics and things like that, where we've kept it a solid machine.
It's incredible the amount of detail and the amount of components that go into making the Kanga Loader. I mean, just have a look at this machine. It's a 10K fibre laser. Now, I'm not quite sure what that is, but I know that it's cutting through sheet metal up to 400 metres a minute of it at incredible accuracy and efficiency with very little waste. It's amazing. It looks like a spaceship, and I tell you what, folks, I bet Elon Musk hasn't got one of these. All those individual parts and components that we've seen being manufactured throughout the factory end up here in the assembly area, and these guys are assembling the various different models, and they're putting together up to 100 machines a month. It really is a beautiful thing. And while Alan's not around, I think I might have this one away. It's a good one too.